Okay, so we just arrived at Vienna in our Airbnb. I'm gonna do a little tour. This is a door to walk into it. Obviously, there's like a little phone thing here, which I think if you just want to call up to see us or something. A pink painting. Here is a door to go to like a toilet area, and it's like a little album thing that says hello in German, I'm guessing. So if you open this, and there's like switches here. Oh, okay. This is just the bathroom, and again, another painting album thing. So yeah, and there's a heater. So that's that. And then in here is the bedroom. So you have these pink blinds, and outside there's not really much. So there's a mirror. Then there's a closet here with just a hairdryer, the bed with just some lights and a painting here. So it just looks like that. And there's a heater here. And then if you walk into here, it's the bathroom. There's another mirror, and there's a sink, some towels, and then the shower. It's like a rain shower. It's interesting in that there's like no door, so yeah. And then out here we have the kitchen. We have the kitchen, and there's like a bunch, I think this is a stove, and then there's like a bunch of amenities in here, or kitchenware. So sink. I don't know if there's anything up here. Oh, so yeah, there's like cups and plates, and then there's like a microwave. So it's like a fully stocked Airbnb, so that's pretty cool. Okay, don't know what that is. And then there's like a little kettle, coffee maker, I'm assuming, some creamers, and probably coffee and tea. Over here, opposite the kitchen, is the seating area. So she gave us some wafers. I think they're like Vietnamese wafers. Little flower pots, heater, those things, I can't remember what they're called. This is the view outside our Airbnb. It's like a very homey kind of community kind of area. Here is kind of, I don't know, a sitting area again, I guess. And then another heater, and so this is just the view out here. It looks like a little park kind of thing. And then if you go over here, there's a little desk, and then a clock, paintings, a vacuum just in this wall area here. So I'm just gonna back up. So that's what it looks like. A little dresser table. Sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, and then here is like the living room, but it's also like a pull-out bed. So there's two lights, painting, and this couch, but it comes out to be a pull-out bed. Some fluffy carpets, this cute table, a little corner there with just lights and a table. These shelves with just cute decorative things. And then this painting. So that was our Airbnb tour, and I love how minimalistic and cute the decorations on here. And the lighting is so good. Like there's like a lot of bright light because of like the huge window sills, and I'm just sitting in front of one right now. And look at the lighting, it's like so perfect and prime. So I'm really happy. Yeah. I think we're gonna get some food now. Right, Mom? Food? Either Korean food or Vietnamese food probably. We might get like Austrian food, maybe not. I really want some Korean food right now, stay tuned for the rest of the day. To the F.A.Q Palace. but like not really. We made our way from that direction over there before and I forgot to film, so I'm gonna let you have a look right now. It's so pretty. I feel like it would be even prettier in the daytime when the gold would just like reflect off the sun. Like, so pretty. Surrounded by this street down here, which I just walked up from, so yeah, so gorgeous. So we're at shopping street in Vienna and the lights for the Christmas just turned on. Or turned on? Anyways, and it's so pretty. Like, especially surrounded by these buildings. Yeah. But yeah, we're just on our way to the Rathals to go to the Christmas market. So pretty. We've made it to the Christmas market at the Rathals. Ah, so pretty.